Diego Chuchu, Constatatu. It's 7th of January, 1 week down, 51 more to go. Hope it's been a good week for you. Hope this new year brings everything you want and that you fulfill at least some of your resolutions. I'm going to try and keep this video short and just say, over the year I'll probably make about 100 different resolutions, and I'll probably break about 100 of them too. But I have a few basic ones that I want to get through this year. 1. Get fit. I'm not a great believer of spending 8 hours in the gym 3 days a week and all that jazz, but all the activities that I do, I get what I call an acquired level of fitness from it. So climbing, I remember how to do such a move and how far I can stretch and how far I can jump, etc. And hiking, how far I can walk before I have to turn back. Another thing I want to do is start swimming again. Maybe start windsurfing, parkour, get back into climbing and hiking and all that jazz. So I'm hiking tomorrow, as it turns out. I thought I was hiking today, but no. Hello. Again. Never off this blasted camera, are you? Anyway. Another resolution. Do stuff I didn't do in 2011. So that's everything like learn how to drive, get back into windsurfing, do all my adventure sports again. Something I'm thinking about, I've been thinking about it for the whole of last year, is either get a piercing or a tattoo. I have a few ideas of both, but I'm holding off on it. I want to get a blood test first. Check myself out, and then hopefully if I get a clean bill of health, they'll let me bypass the little law that says I can't give blood, and let me at least donate a pint of blood, because that's one thing I've always wanted to do, is donate blood. So I want to do that. Travel more is another one. I want to do a little bit of travelling, see more of this fair Ireland of mine. I've been to pretty much every corner of it, but I've not seen a lot of it. So that's something I'm going to do. And then I want to go to Corsica again, maybe in the summer. I'm going to Gran Canaria. I'm going diving in Gran Canaria. And I might be going skiing in the Alps. So that'd be great fun. This is all with my adventure club. I'll put a link to their new website down below as well if anyone in Ireland is watching this and wants to get in with a cool bunch of guys. I'll put a link down below. So that's it. It's really just kind of do something every day. Do stuff I haven't done before. Try things I've never tried before. Learn how to drive. Get a blood test. Get fitter. So I hope everyone has at least a few resolutions pinned down that they can suitably attain, something that's reasonably achievable. So, all the best. If you want to post some of your resolutions below, some of your personal targets that you want to achieve this year, I'd more than happily read them. And hope everyone has a great year. Bhliain Nua Sásta, slán agus Bhliain Nua Sásta.